Hey guys, Devamitra one more time. A very warm welcome and a very good afternoon to all of you. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So guys, in my previous sessions, I have talked about so many things. I've tried to provide you the best knowledge, whatever knowledge I have. Right now in my career awareness series, I'm trying to help you to get the best opportunity to find a job, to get the best knowledge, how you can make your career, how you can build yourself as a professional person, how you can prove yourself in an organization, what are the things you need to say, what are the things you don't need to say. So guys, in my today's session I'm going to talk about something that is DevOps or computing is better career opportunity for a fresher. Which one is better as a career path? So guys, let's get started. So guys, the first thing we need to understand that DevOps and career and cloud computing both are the best career option for a fresher candidate. Okay, DevOps is part of cloud computing. So, what is DevOps? DevOps is actually a process that is called development in operations. So, when you write down a code, that time that code is the first thing, basic thing you do. The we require that time that when the one code is written, we need to uh, test the code. We need to make the design. After having the design, we need to following the design, we need to write down the one more coding. Okay, so this is the process of making a project or a software. So DevOps is the process in which process we do all those things in an integrated way, and DevOps works in agile module. We all know that agile process is the process in which we need we do an integrated work. We don't need too much manpower to build agile module. Okay, because in that process it is an automated testing tool, and in that automated testing tool, what happens when we write down a code, it works in an integrated process. Automatically it tests by the another programming language, and it, after having the test, this is called integration process, that then it becomes the uh, we release the code or we deliver the code. Okay, and after that the program runs, the software runs. So this is the process of working in agile module, that is called DevOps. So if we are looking for the process, if we talk about the process called is CI/CD process, that is continuous integration, continuous delivery. That means there is no need of manual testing after write down a code. This code works uh, automatically, and this automatic testing process is only possible in DevOps. In cloud computing, we can see that when we write down a code, okay, in agile part, so the in the agile manner, it will became so easier to test the code. At first, to write down the code, to design the code, to test the code, and deploy the code. The CI, in the CI/CD process, the continuous integration and continuous development delivery happens. So guys, if for an example, if I will say that, you can see that in Netflix, in Amazon, it's not possible for every time to stop down the server and to upload the things. So in that way, there is continuous integration process, and in this, by using the automated testing tools, the programs are running automatically. So you can see that in Facebook there are more than 3.3 billion people. It's a huge infrastructure in cloud computing, the example of huge infrastructure, because all of these programs are running automatically, and the codes are by testing, by using DevOps, the codes are have been tested automatically, and it's deploying automatically. So guys, when you see Facebook, you don't even see that most of the times, 99.9% times, the server, it's an up server. Okay, so very few times we see the server is down, and all those things happens in Netflix and Amazon and all those cloud computing process also. So if you're a candidate who is working, who is taking training in DevOps and looking for the jobs in DevOps, it's a best option for you. And in career, if you wanted to build your career in DevOps, it's a great opportunity for you to start your career in DevOps. And in cloud computing is a huge way. It's a process of web development using the help of DevOps. It's nothing but web development using the help of DevOps. So when you are doing the cloud computing, it is also beneficial for you. Both of the process are integrated. Right now we are not using the cloud computing in proper way, but after some days, after some times, after some years, cloud computing will be a very good way to develop and deploy the codes and to make the proper process integrated process. So guys, whatever I have said, I just wanted to say that if you wanted to work, start your career in DevOps, it is beneficial. If you wanted to start your career in cloud computing, it is also very beneficial for you. So both of the options are good for you. At first you need to understand that you need to be expertised in your own domain. Whatever you are doing, you need to learn it in proper way and try to make a proper knowledge in your code domain and be a part of the full process. So this is for now, guys. Bye for now. Kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and comment below. And whatever information you need, you can connect with me in PCS Global. We are providing the training in Java full stack. We are providing the training in Java DevOps, in Salesforce, in other technologies also. Our CELP project is going on. That's an on-job training project. You can join in that on-job training projects. Our free internship programs, our paid internship programs are also going on. Our webinar master classes are also going on. You can join in, you can get the best knowledge, whatever knowledge you need. So we are here to help you, and we are always here to give you the best support to build your career. It's your duty to first connect with us to get the best knowledge. And right now, one more good news for you guys. Right now we are in Bangalore also, so it's the good news for the Bangalore people who are located in Bangalore and right now looking for better opportunities. Our office is located in Marathali. The address has been given in the description box. You can check, okay, and you can connect with us. Our working sessions are going on in every Sunday. You can go for the working sessions and you can get the best opportunity of your life. So this is for now, guys. Bye for now. Kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and comment below.